Instead of building a massive bridge over the sea, engineers opted for an underwater tunnel. Giant concrete sections are manufactured on land. Then they are transported to the sea and submerged in a pre-prepared trench on the seabed. Afterward, the sections are joined to form a single tunnel. The Fehmarnbelt Fixed Link project is one of the largest infrastructure projects in Europe in the 21st century. The project aims to create the world's longest underwater tunnel, connecting Denmark and Germany across the Baltic Sea. This project will revolutionize transportation between Northern and Central Europe. The Fehmarnbelt Fixed Link is one of the most exciting engineering projects. It combines cutting-edge technology, a massive scale of construction, and a significant economic impact on the European transport network. The two countries involved in this project are Denmark and Germany. It is an underground tunnel for cars and trains. The tunnel is located between the Danish island of Lolland and the German island of Fehmarn. Its estimated cost is over 7 billion euros. It's expected to open around 2029.
It is approximately 18 kilometers long and consists of 4 lanes for vehicles, 2 in each direction. It includes 2 tracks for high-speed electric trains, as well as maintenance, repair, and emergency lanes. It is designed to withstand earthquakes and sea storms. The world's largest factory for producing concrete tunnel elements will be built. Each element will be approximately 217 meters long and weigh over 70,000 tons. The elements will then be transported by specialized vessels and precisely lowered to the seabed. There, all the elements will be securely anchored and then covered with layers of rock and sand for protection. The project will significantly reduce travel time between Denmark and Germany and facilitate trade between Scandinavia and Central Europe. It will also improve the efficiency of freight and passenger transport, boosting the region's economy and tourism sector.
After the tunnel opens, cars will cross the strait in approximately 10 minutes instead of the 45-minute ferry journey. Trains will cross in approximately 7 minutes, reducing travel time between Copenhagen and Hamburg to about 2.5 hours. The project faced significant challenges. These included working in a complex marine environment and manufacturing and transporting massive concrete elements, preserving the marine environment during construction, and coordinating work between 2 countries and different transport systems. The project is considered one of the world's largest transport projects. It will be the longest submerged road and rail tunnel and will utilize advanced engineering technologies unprecedented on this scale. It will fundamentally transform the European transport network and serve as a global model for implementing mega infrastructure projects.